Hi, Tony here from BBQs Plus. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing on the new Ferraboli Pegaso charcoal grill. So just get her open up and let's see what's in the box. Okay, so we've got our grill, got two nice big handles on it. Oh yeah, perfect. Bit of stainless steel stuff here I've got to take off. This is a charcoal basket, that's pretty good. Set of instructions, pretty well packed. Oh, and we've got side tables in here. We'll put it all together. Come on back. So there you have it, folks. The Ferraboli Pegaso. Arguably the most, or the easiest grill I've ever put together. The great thing about it, some real features, is this great design here. These wing nuts mean that you can take the legs off. You can actually pack it up and put it all back in its box really easily for storage when you're not using it. But when you've got a charcoal grill, you're always going to be using it. Good instructions, no problems there. And the great thing, other good thing about it is 3 heights here for your grill. So you have the bottom, yeah, and all these handles fold away easily. All in all, the Pegaso from Ferraboli, a great grill. Find it on our website and enjoy. Thank you.